Hey guys, Dylan here with Pioneer, and today I want to show you our brand new top-of-the-line head unit, the DMH-WT5000NEX. We built this around 4 things that you told us matter the most: convenience, entertainment, safety and security, and expandability. And you're going to see it everywhere in this new unit. Let's jump into it. First, you get a 9-inch 600p display, a single DIN chassis for installation flexibility. You also have front, rear, and sub outputs to send signal to your favorite Pioneer amplifiers, a totally new UI with split screen mode, quick swipe control to easily access all of your favorite settings, and my personal favorite new addition, light and dark mode, for less eye strain at night and then much better visibility during the day. Of course, it's got wired or wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, so you get a pick. We also have a new PxLink app that lets you customize layouts, upload your favorite wallpapers, and even update the firmware straight from your phone, so you don't have to fumble with flash drives anymore. On the internals, we didn't skip a beat. The power supply has 28,700 microfarads of capacitance, dual processors, 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM, a new 48-bit DAC, 5-volt RCAs, upgraded Wi-Fi and Bluetooth chips for rock-solid wireless connectivity for your wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. This is our fastest, most customizable, and most advanced Pioneer head unit to date, and I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on one.